And I don't know if he fixed it where you don't have to take off that deal anymore because it doesn't pop up.
Yes, because we got to make sure the volume is. Yeah, so you have no volume, and then he said just go up and X out.
Go up and hit what?
X, the X.
Okay, that's what he did. He took off the volume last time, I guess. So
Yeah.
now it's automatically.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's good to always check.
Well,
So it was cool. Last night. She put it back.
oh, you better go sit up there. I didn't hear it. I was
No,
paying
because you're.
attention.
I was waiting a second, get updates from my mom all the way till Saturday.
Alice goes to auditor's office just for someone.
Oh, I'm sorry, I hit the wrong number.
Oh, okay. You have reached the Atascosa County Sheriff's Office.
Transferring to
Booking.
Booking Officer Martinez.
Good morning. This is Judge Herrera. I'm on Zoom and ready whenever y'all are.
Yes, sir. I will let the corporal know right now.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Alexa, play George Jones.
George Jones Radio from Pandora.
Send a letter from this brave little old lady again to the wasted years of my living past. I need to tell you how long my love will last. They say science for me. But I'm here. I'm still right. Where she's yes, that same old lost love story. It's sad, but it's true. There was a time she was mine. Losing my mind, back in time.
They sent another one?
No, I had to do a reversal because I have some credit card foreclosures. This lady that's there, she had some, a ticket. She landed in jail, drug paraphernalia,
Step right up.
and
Alexa, turn off.
she thought that because she was in jail for a couple of days, that the ticket she had here was gonna be a jail time credit. She just assumed, I said, no, ma'am, one does not have nothing to do with the other. I had already spoken to her. And then she came in, and of course you weren't here. And I told her, I said, no, ma'am, I mean, you can talk to the judge. I mean, there's not much she can do. I said, I mean, like I said, and she had sent an email stating like, okay, I did this. It's already just like it's a dismissal automatic. Because she spent time, I think it was in Bear County. So she was,
It wasn't even in this county, has nothing to do with us.
I think she said Bear County.
But even if it was here,
Yeah.
it's still not gonna, has no one thing, just because you go to jail for something else, you
Yeah.
still have to pay the ticket here. It's
So
not
I
like you
told
went
her.
to prison and you're asking for
Yeah.
somebody.
So, so she wants a reduction in the fine.
What is the fine?
I need to double check it because I think it already has Omni and DOQ. I think. But it's a position drug
Es
preference.
mexicano, what do you mean?
That's the name. Oh, I, so if you want my son. And that's like I said, that's my thing.
Check and see how much fine
I
is.
think I've seen this getting the
We-
paperwork.
We might give her the Juneteenth special. Cállate, Mateo, you chinga.
This is from Mrs. Alexis Brown. Possession of drug paraphernalia. You said she briefed you on it? Briefing legal.
Let's see what she has to say, and maybe she'll get that Juneteenth special.
Want her now?
Yeah, might as well before I start magistrating. Have a seat, man. I'm Judge Herrera.
I missed over here.
Okay, you want to give me a brief scenario of what happened?
So that night I had just taken my medication and I was parked on the side of the road. And then I was already driving off and the police was behind me. Now I was like wrong, but I did serve 5 days on it. So I was trying to get a reduction because I don't have enough to pay it. But I have been sober. And then I'm already on parole in Guadalupe County. So I already do it in AA and all that stuff.
Okay, I can't do nothing about the court costs. But I can reduce the fine. The fine is 335.
Okay.
I'm gonna reduce it to $110.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Already got my email ready to set up and everything. Check and see if they didn't send something else.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I already sent them that message. They haven't called them.
You can have a seat.
Mhm. Oh, the person. Yeah. And also, can we- Oh. So. You're having this. We have to increase us in the check. From the prosecutor. And the prosecutor on their. They were doing one check of business, that it was requested by. Two-thirds. He gets it, that it. That it was. Once he signs it, it presents to the judge. And then we'll close it out. Sure.
July the 29th to the 31st, I have
I'll send you the
that at
motion.
school and did.
Signed by the total cost. Well, there is a.
Yeah, well, I'm just, you had asked me about the one in Round Rock and uh, it'd be cool if you could go with me to Round Rock. It'd be cool if you could go with me to Round Rock, but if not, at least you'll be able to go to the one in Denton that's further, but.
Yes. Yes.
July 1st, okay, good. So I can put it for the 14th.
Alexa, play Glenn Campbell.
Slam Panda Radio from Pandora. At AT&T, we confidently guarantee our deals. Hey, I ordered the right.
Yes, definitely. You know, they have the things like carrot, rice, and.
I slept good last night, but I'm like tired.
Look at AT&T guarantees. You get with your choice of a home and bed 34, you say it's on time, let's put it that way. Because we did that. That was very.
You know, it's been like 11:30. And I didn't wake up till my alarm rang at 6:30. I had gotten already in bed and I watched Facebook and looked at my prayers. And I said, now I'm ready to go to sleep. And I need to go turn off the light. And the light in the closet was on, so I had to get up and turn off that light. I got that meeting with Judge Coons Friday at 10 a.m. We had that meeting with Judge Coons. All those judges. It's gonna be.
Morning, Judge. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good. Sorry about that. We had someone come in right when you sent us the email.
Okay, that's no problem. You want to start with William Copeland?
Okay, I have to bring them up from the back.
Okay, you want to try that guy from yesterday again?
Yes. And I'll we'll try him and then I'll have my guys bring him up, okay?
Okay.
I need to open up this. I have to get you up to see the judge, okay? Sit there and listen to him, okay?
What's his name?
I'll see, but I'll make no promises, okay? But have a seat on the brown chair for me.
Morning, sir.
Mr. Medina,
Yes, sir.
let's try this again.
Okay.
The charge is violation of bond conditions on the protective order. I'm going to read your rights. An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. That's on felonies only. You have the right to be advised of the procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. An affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of an attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. Do you understand your rights, sir?
Yes, sir. So after this, we can take it to Supreme Court, right?
You can get you an attorney and you can do whatever you want to do after this. I can't give you no legal advice.
No, I
I'm
know, I
just
know.
magistrating
What
you.
I'm trying to say is if I don't sign this, right, we can take it to.
If you don't sign it, it makes no difference. We'll just put that you refused to sign, but you were read your rights. My
I know.
job is to make sure that you understand your rights, and that's it. From there
I know.
on,
That's what I'm saying.
well, I can't give you legal advice, sir. I can't give you legal advice.
You're a judge.
Your attorney will have to give you legal advice.
Just listen to what he has to say, okay?
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Your bond is set at 8,000. I'm done with him.
All right.
Let's send it off.
Medina, let's go.
For the 30 days and I'm pre-ready.
I'll have to check the charges, but. Okay. I have them bringing up McCopen.
Okay, no problem.
You're moving positive, right?
Yeah, she's getting her some.
Oh, yeah. So, you have, you work, but you work. What separation was that? Huh? Well, 6, right? You mean it's 6?
Booking. On this, William McCoplin, y'all just send me 2 charges, right? CRA 1 and CRA 2.
Yes, sir.
Well, those are your other signs, so I wouldn't know.
Yes, sir, it's just like 2 charges.
That $80 payment. And here is your payment. Here's a, after 30 days, if you haven't paid it, there'll be a one-time $15 added to it. This is where you can go online to make the payment, or you can come in office and.
Oh.
Yes, after the 30. Okay, so there's the. Correct. 31st day, it'll be added. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Every number was marked from T1.
He's on his way, Judge.
No problem, no problem.
They have really that can receive.
Customers over there, move Bonilla to September. So I can have that door open. Okay? For the.
Where they got one.
Don't put on the ground there.
Over here in the Bronx.
Hey, where did you go?
Judge, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So, have a seat right here for me. I don't know what happened.
What is your name, sir?
William McCopen.
Okay, Mr. McCoffrin. I'm Judge Herrera. I'm here to magistrate you on 2 indictments. One is for criminal negligence homicide. The other one is tamper with fabricate physical evidence with intent to impair. I'm going to read your rights on both of these. They're out of district court. Then I'm going to tell you what they're asking for a bond. An affidavit charging you with these charges have been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. You have the right to be advised of the procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. An affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of an attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. You understand your rights, sir?
Yes,
On that criminal negligence, it's 200,000, and on the tampering, it's 100,000. Good luck with this, sir.
don't you think that's a little bit excessive for
Sir, this is out of
every-
district court. I'm a JP. I'm just here to magistrate you. This is from a way higher court than mine that set these bonds. I didn't set them, and I can't change them.
well, you don't think that's excessive?
What I think doesn't really matter at this point. The
I
piece of
mean, I
paper
do
here in
have-
front of me says,
I do have constitutional rights,
yes, sir, you do. You do.
and excessive bond is number 8th Amendment.
I'm not
Constitution.
I'm not setting this bond.
I
That's
think
what
you
they,
just did.
I'm done with them.
Let's go, mister. Hang on. I got a fingerprint. Monday?
Oh, now, you said I got 2 indictments.
Let's go.
What do you mean by that?
Indictments means they've gathered enough evidence to charge you with this.
And what I don't
I
understand,
explained that to you. That's all I know.
what I don't understand is how an indictment got squashed. And then a charge that's over 4 years old got brung back up on a indictment that only had a statute of limitations of 3 years.